to the party. Let's take a little time and talk about it. What's going through?
Hey guys, so first I want to swoop in, do a little voiceover. But first I'm just taking my hair out of these braids, and I'm going to be unraveling the braids, not all the way, because the top knot, you want the braids to show a little bit. So I'm just going to unravel it. My hair is actually a little bit damp, but it's not going to ruin the hairstyle at all because it's going to end up going in a bun anyways. So basically this is a good hairstyle if your braid out wasn't working or your twist out wasn't working, anything like that, it's okay. Like, this is a saver of a hairstyle. So right now I'm just unraveling that, and I usually just choose like halfway or more than halfway of the braid, just show a little bit of what I want to show. I did let these braids sit in for a day, so that's probably why they're still damp. Most people be like, what? They're still damp? Yes, my hair takes forever to dry, literally. And so now I'm going to be putting my hair in a top knot. I try to go as high as I can, or how high the braids will allow me to. And then I'm taking a rubber band. Guys, please do not use a rubber band for your hair. It will break your hair. I just only did it because I am a college student and everybody just tends to take my hair ties, and I just don't know where they're at, so they're all gone. So I'm just going to be putting my hair through this rubber band, which is extremely hard. Extremely hard. And now I'm just going to tug on a little bit, and I'm going to create my top knot shape that I really like. What I try to do is take the long ends and wrap it around the bottom of where the band is, and that's how you get like the little top knot shape, if you wanted to know. And then I just pack the top so like, I won't have this weird type of hair thing going on. It's kind of weird, kind of not cute. And then I'm just going to push it a little bit. And then fix myself, make sure I'm looking cute. And then I'm just going to brush out my baby hairs just a little bit, just to get them in the place that I want it to be. I could just leave my baby hairs like this, but I'm extra. I need things to be in the right place, not moving, because I know they're gonna move, so I don't need that in my life. Now I'm just gonna take a spoolie. I like to use a spoolie and a toothbrush. Why? Because that's just me. And I'm just gonna take some Eco Styler and do my edges, move it around a little bit, create the shape that I want. I like to do little swirlies, as you can see. I like to call them the swirlies because that's what they remind me of. And sometimes they don't work out. Sometimes it takes me a couple tries. It's annoying. And now I'm about to take Got To Be Glue, my bestie. I love it. It will keep my edges like on my head for the entire week, maybe. Hopefully it's not the week though, because it can get a little crusty, and that's disgusting. Now I'm going to go back to my OG toothbrush, and I'm just going to, do that all over my edges. Swoop them, you got to use the finger in the toothbrush action, honey. You got to make sure it's working all together. Get your sideburns. Make sure they're looking fleeky, a little cute. And then I'm going to take the spoolie just so I can do my little, swoop, whatever I try to do in the front. And then, I like to go back onto my edges and make sure that they, didn't curl up, because sometimes they can. And, yeah, this is the finished look, baby. I hope you like it. Bye. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. This is the top knot that everyone has literally been flooding my DMs about. This is the quickest hairstyle known to man. All you really have to do is just braid your hair, unbraid it, and it could be this top knot, this braid out was wet. Not wet, it was just damp. It wouldn't have been a good braid out. So if you're having a failed braid out, this would be a perfect hairstyle for you. And then all you have to do is just your edges, which is what you should do every day, because that's not a game to play. That's literally what I did, and this is it. And I just really love this hairstyle so much. It's so cute. And I don't like buns on me, and so when I do wear a bun, it's like this. So yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. Can y'all just do me a little favor? Just a little favor. Can you look downwards? Just downwards. Down. Yeah. There's this button. A good button. It's a red button, and it says subscribe. You should subscribe. Oh my god. Why haven't you subscribed yet? I don't understand why. Why are you doing me like this? Why are you trying to hurt my feelings like this? If you subscribe, you join the family and you get to click this little bell with the notifications. Honey, why don't you want to do that? Why don't you want to do that? Exactly. You don't know why. I know why. I don't know. Maybe I do know. I don't know. Maybe you should just click it. Okay. All right. Well, bye guys. I love you. And for all the people that haven't joined, I'll think about if I love you. I might if you click that button.